How to reset your nervous system. Naturally in 2 minutes. Do this daily. Your body isn't designed to live in survival mode, yet most of us are stuck there, constantly anxious, overstimulated, and exhausted. But what if you could break that cycle in just 2 minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your nervous system naturally with a simple science-backed technique you can start using today. Then we'll dive into daily practices and long-term habits that build true resilience and deep inner calm. Stick around because this isn't just theory. These are the exact tools I've used to help people reclaim peace, heal anxiety, and finally feel safe in their own body again. Understanding stress. Why are we always in overdrive? Stress isn't the enemy. In fact, it's part of our biological design. The problem is that modern life has hijacked the system. Let me explain. Imagine you're a hunter-gatherer. You hear rustling in the bushes. Your body doesn't wait to find out if it's a lion or the wind. It kicks your sympathetic nervous system into action, raising your heart rate, sharpening focus, pumping cortisol and adrenaline. It's fight or flight mode, and it saves your life. Now fast forward to today. Instead of lions, it's your inbox, unpaid bills, relationship tension, and social media notifications. Your body still reacts like your life is in danger, even though it's not. The result? We live in chronic stress mode. And when this system never switches off, you feel constantly tired but wired, irritable, anxious, and overwhelmed, easily triggered, unable to rest or focus. That's not sustainable. And here's the key lesson. The stress switch isn't broken. It's just stuck on. You need to teach your body how to turn it off. What is the nervous system reset? To truly reset your nervous system, you need to activate its counterpart, the parasympathetic nervous system, known as the rest and digest mode. This is your body's natural brake. It slows your heart rate, calms your breathing, and tells your brain, you're safe now. But how do you activate it? Let me introduce you to box breathing, a 2-minute technique used by elite performers, trauma therapists, and even Navy SEALs. Here's how it works. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold again for 4 seconds, repeat for 2 minutes. You're not just breathing, you're hacking your nervous system. Research shows box breathing can reduce cortisol, your main stress hormone, improve heart rate variability, a sign of resilience, trigger the vagus nerve, which calms nearly every major organ. Real-world story. One of my clients, a 42-year-old businesswoman battling burnout, started this daily. After 10 days, her sleep improved, her digestion improved, her mood improved, all from 2 minutes of conscious breathing. Daily nervous system. Tools you can practice now. Box breathing is just one tool. Let's expand your toolkit. Here are 6 more practices you can use to reset your nervous system naturally. No pills, screens, or expensive gadgets required. 1. Grounding. Take your shoes off. Stand or walk barefoot on grass, soil, or sand for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps balance your body's electromagnetic field, reduces inflammation, and lowers cortisol. Lesson. Nature isn't just relaxing, it's medicine. 2. Cold water splash. Splash cold water on your face or run your wrists under cold water. It instantly activates your diving reflex, calming your heart rate and reducing fight or flight reactivity. 3rd, digital detox windows. Set a 1-hour window each day where you completely unplug. No phone, no laptop, no screen. This re-regulates dopamine and allows your system to breathe. Tip: replace screen time with reading, walking, journaling, or even doing nothing. Fourth, stretch and self-soothing touch. Do gentle stretches in the morning and evening. Place a hand over your heart, neck, or belly to send calming signals through your skin-to-nerve network. Why it works? Touch is one of the body's fastest ways to regulate the nervous system. 5. Listen to nature soundscapes. 5 to 10 minutes of forest, ocean, or rain sounds help slow your brainwaves. It increases alpha waves, associated with deep relaxation. 6. Humming or chanting. The vibrations stimulate the vagus nerve, your primary rest and digest highway. Even 1 minute of humming can calm you quickly. Pro tip: try humming while exhaling after your box breathing session. Nutrition for nervous system health. You can't outbreathe a poor diet. If your body is inflamed, undernourished, or overloaded with sugar, your nervous system stays stressed. Here's what to prioritize: healthy fats and omega-3s, wild salmon, walnuts, chia and flax seeds, sardines, magnesium-rich greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, pumpkin seeds. Gut-healthy fermented foods, yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Why this matters: 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut. Gut inflammation equals brain inflammation. A strong gut equals a calm, focused mind. Pro tip: reduce caffeine, processed sugar, and alcohol. These overactivate your sympathetic nervous system. Long-term lifestyle anchors. Want sustainable peace, not temporary relief? These 3 long-term anchors will regulate your system for life. 1. Sleep hygiene. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Use blue light filters after sunset. No screens 1 hour before bed. 2. Meaningful social connection. Spend time around people you feel emotionally safe with. Loneliness is as stressful as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Oxytocin from real connection balances your entire nervous system. 3. Rituals of safety. Create small daily routines that make your body feel safe. Morning sunlight exposure, evening candle lighting or stretching, drinking warm herbal tea mindfully. Your nervous system learns through repetition. The more often you practice safety, the more natural it becomes. Recap and challenge. Let's bring this home. You've learned why modern stress keeps you stuck in survival mode, how 2 minutes of box breathing can shift your physiology, daily habits that reset your system naturally, what to eat to support gut-brain health, long-term rituals that create emotional resilience. Now here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, commit to 2 minutes of box breathing every morning. Add 1 new practice from today's list each week. Your goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Your nervous system doesn't heal with pressure, it heals with presence. If this video brought you clarity, share it with someone who lives in survival mode. Comment below. Calm starts today. If you're ready to take control of your inner world. Subscribe to Holistic Wellbeing for weekly science-backed tools for calm, clarity, and long-term health. You don't need to wait for peace. You can practice it daily. Until next time, stay grounded, stay gentle, and remember, your body is listening.